big thing. Ijebu local movement. We are moving forward.
You need to go through coordinator. Everybody must mind the without bias. Everybody find our Otuba Dr. Abdulfalim Abayomi Okunowo. Alekun to asono si ka to bẹ̀rẹ̀ àjẹsọ. Ẹ ká sọ gbogbo ìjókòó. Ìjẹ̀bú yẹn máa sọ but Ìjẹ̀bú yẹn ò dọ́gẹ̀rẹ̀. Permission to sit down to read my address. Welcome address by Otuba Dr. Abdulfalim Abayomi, founder and convener of Ijebu local through Itesiwaju Ijebu, on the official inaugural meeting of Ijebu local government ward coordinators. Esteemed guests, visionary leaders, dedicated ward coordinators, ladies and gentlemen, it is profound joy and deep sense of purpose and the heartbeat of this movement. Your role is not just critical, it's transformative. You are tasked with 1. Building a strong grassroots network, identifying and appointing honest, committed, and dynamic polling unit coordinators who will serve as the foundation of our mobilization efforts. These individuals will be the bridge connecting our vision to the people of the grassroots. 2. Leading with purpose. Inspire, train and empower these coordinators to mobilize, educate and engage our communities effectively. Your leadership will ensure they remain steadfast in this mission. Amplifying our message. 3. Translate federal and state government programs and policies into clear, relatable terms, ensuring every citizen understands and accesses the opportunities meant for them. Your work will dismantle barriers of confusion and misinformation. Our mission, impact over politics. Let me be unequivocal. Ijebu local and Itesiwaju Ijebu are not political movements, nor attributed to any political party. Our sole mandate is the deployment of Ijebu land, development of Ijebu land, its people, communities and future. We are here to create tangible impact, ensuring that every Ijebu citizen benefit from the initiative designed to improve their lives. Your role as coordinator is to make this vision a reality at the grassroots level, fostering trust, delivering results that resonate with the aspiration of our people. Your voice matters. As the eyes and ears of this movement, your insights are invaluable. Your feedback from the world will shape our advocacy, ensuring that Ijebu's needs are prioritized in the policy, projects and intervention. Every idea you share, every challenge you highlight will strengthen our collective voice as we engage with the government to secure a brighter future for our region. A call to unity and service. Today, as the inaugural meeting, is not merely a ceremony, it's a call to action. As one coordination will carry the hopes of thousands with the integrity, humility and unwavering commitment. Let us transcend political, religious and personal divides and unite for greater good of Ijebu land. Our strength lies in our unity. Our success depends on our collective resolve. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for embracing this noble call to serve. Together we will build a legacy of progress, unity and prosperity that will inspire generations to come. Let this inaugural meeting be the spark that ignites the transformative change across Ijebu and beyond. Ijebu local, through Itesiwaju Ijebu, Alajebu Agbegbe. Thank you and may God bless you. Please give him a round of applause. his speech.
Yes.
Because they say when you come to this gathering, you have to read a speech. But let's talk from heart to heart. This assignment is not going to be an easy assignment. And I want you all to understand. But I can assure you, there is light at the end of the tunnel. I praise you all from the bottom of my heart, and I endure you guys to keep faith with God and give our days for us to progress. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening to him. Maybe I should go directly to English, which I'm more comfortable with.
Excuse me, I will translate that.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Dáre Òsénì láti Ward 1 Ìkànnìgbò lọmọkùnrin wà lèmi ti wá. Yá ibi tí màá kọ́kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mi ni pé inú mi dùn gidigidi síbẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ má dé o torí bó ṣe máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ o tí à ń pè ní swagger tí ìyá ìbá sọ pé ó yá kọ́ kówó sí lápò o. But nígbà táwa ti lè jẹ́ coordinator láti lè jẹ́ olórí ń bẹ̀. Ẹrù rẹ̀ bá wa ọmọ akíra wa àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ láìpẹ́ tí swagger tá à ń sọ yìí first person tí Jagaba máa kọ́kọ́ máa rí.
Láti wọ́n sí Sábó mo ló jẹ. Now Yorùbá ló kún bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkàn bá wa jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ níwájú ni. Ẹ̀nà èmi ò bá Hausa o. Yorùbá pọ̀ mbẹ̀. It's a peaceful environment. Very, very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Lórí ibi tí last speaker yẹn ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí use and dump, because many of the programs báyìí la máa ń bá wọn ṣe, la máa ń bá wọn gbárùkù tì. At the end of the day, tó bá dọbẹ̀, ìgbà la máa mọ̀ pé ẹni tí ó náwó ẹ̀rọ pé orí òpè ni tí ò bá ní mission. With your aims and objectives, because at the end of the day, can I end up into politics? Itesiwaju.
Ọ̀kẹ́gbẹ̀ Mádẹ́ sí Honorable Kojú. Ṣẹ́rí tí a bá pé a coordinate àwọn èèyàn jọ, ǹjẹ́ tí a bá pè yìí ṣe láti wá fún àwọn èèyàn wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ ṣé wọ́n máa wá? Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Èkejì ni pé tí bá ṣe lọ sílé tẹ̀ràn wà lọ sílé ká lọ gùn.
Ìjẹ̀bú ló kàn Ìtesiwaju gbogbo wa ni orúkọ tèmi náà tún bá wọlé bí àgbò láti Ward 3. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi àfikún mo fẹ́ ṣe àgbò láti Ward 3 Sàǹtẹ̀bọ́ta ògbìn. Àfikún ni mo fẹ́ sọ gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu kan fẹ́ sọ ju fún gbogbo ni pé ẹlẹ́ka believe nínú ara wa. Kọ̀tà bá believe nínú ara wa la máa ṣàṣeyọrí Ìjẹ̀bú ló kàn. Ẹ̀wọ̀n pé ẹ ti tẹ̀lé swagger, ẹ tẹ̀lé gbá àwo kan. Àwọn náà á ti pẹ́ nínú òṣèlú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Àyẹ̀mọ́ ìdájí ṣe amóṣù lèmi bá jọjọ ṣèjọba. Mo dẹ̀ jẹ́ nínú amóṣù tí mo gba rẹ́fẹ́ tí mo rí ọ̀run. Ìjẹ̀bú ló kàn àwọn tẹ fara sí. Gbogbo ìtù Ìjẹ̀bú Òde ó wà lọ́wọ́ yìí wà lọ́wọ́ tàwa tó wà gbà fún ìran àgbà Ọlọ́run.
Ọ̀túnba ni mo rí mọ́ bàbá dáadáa. Ọ̀túnba Àbáyọ̀mí Odúnàwó tí ọba ẹlẹ́wọ̀n fàkílẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú rẹ̀ corporate body mẹ́bùdé bàbá dáadáa.